Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I thought I'd share with you guys a little mini haul of goods that I got when I was on my trip to Kyoto, and I'm kind of separating these into different groups. I have one that's going to just talk about what I got at the Nintendo store and also the Rilakkuma goods that I got, but these are some sort of miscellaneous things that I got. Mostly I got these at LOFT, but then one of them was this item was some candy that I got at the gift shop at the Kyoto Tower gift shop area there. So I'll get to that. But first, I just thought I'd show you guys some random things that I got at LOFT. LOFT is this epic, huge store that features goods for your home, beauty, healthcare items, travel goods, and then also a huge section that's just devoted to stationery. So I've been wanting to make sure that I got a notebook to put my cute Animal Crossing Brewster stickers on that I already got from the convenience store's Lucky Chance. So this is perfect, I think, for it. It has a nice blue color to it, and I think when I put the stickers on here, it's going to look really cool. So that was one thing I was definitely on the lookout for. And then Audrey found some other things for me, even though because I wasn't paying attention. And the stuff that she found was really cool because it was this stuff that was for the chocolates that I like that are really cheap chocolates in Japan. They're called TIROL choco, and I've shown you guys some of the different versions. They have lots of different versions, but I really like this coffee nougat one that they have. And this is it's exactly shaped like the chocolates are. The chocolates are not really this big. They're a lot smaller. But this is a memo pad. I haven't even opened it yet. Here, I'll show you guys what the memo pad looks like on the inside here. But they have all these goods right now that are like realistic, looks like the real food kind of thing, but it's actually a memo pad or an eraser. And they sometimes have other things like chips ones too, I think. So there's this nice little cover over it. And then, you can kind of see there, but that's how it opens. And then inside are these cute little memo pads, or just loose memo sheets, I should say. And they just go through, to a lot of effort to make them really nice, high quality ones, So that's a little artwork for them there along the bottom. Make sure it's in focus. I can't see so good. Yeah, there you go. So it was really cute. She found all that for me, and I was like, yes, thank you. This is adorable. I'm going to write my little notes in there for when I go shopping, and I forget. I'm always forgetting what to buy at the store. And I don't use my phone like everyone else does. I still write it on regular paper. So I go through memo pads pretty fast. So that was the one thing I got there from that. And then I also got this Lucky Chance secret eraser. And we just happened, you can kind of see some of the different kinds of chocolates that are part of this series here. I have it wrapped in a bag because I already opened it and I didn't want the smell to completely overwhelm my luggage because they all smell like the chocolate a little bit. So that was kind of cool. But this is kind of what the different chocolates are there. You can kind of see like there's a biscuit flavored one, just regular milk chocolate, one that has almond in it, one that's like a cookie and crunch chocolate strawberry jam. This is the classic nougat, and then this is the coffee nougat. So, but I was super lucky. There's 7 of them to get, and I got my favorite, the coffee ones. So, and that's about what they are. That's what the like big sized ones kind of are, almost exactly. And then they also have little tinier versions too. But it smells just like it. Oh, it smells so good. Now this is not like in any way fancy chocolate. This is like, the equivalent of just, what would you say? Drugstore kind of chocolates for kids. These usually are like 10 yen for the small ones, and I think 25 or 30 yen. 30 yen for the big ones. Yeah, for the real chocolates. So, and then she got me this cute little ice cream guy. This is also an eraser. I haven't opened it yet. I guess I could right now. I don't know. I'm like torn. Part of me doesn't want to open it because it's so cute all closed like this. Maybe I'll see if there's a way to open it from the back so the top part doesn't get ruined, you know? So I'm not going to show it to you now. But it's basically a Monaka style ice cream. So it's kind of like the ice cream cone is on the outside and then the ice cream is inside. And they have this in vanilla or vanilla with like chocolate inside too. Crunchy kind of chocolate. That looks just like it. It's so cute. I'm curious if it has a good smell too. I'll have to let you guys know. But so I got that. And that was something that Audrey had found for me. And then this is a completely random, has nothing to do with any of this, but this was some of the candies that I got at the gift shop that was in Kyoto Tower. And I really love this kind of candy, these hard candies that have the designs on them. They're just so cute and fun and tasty. So, and you know, Japan in general, but especially Kyoto is known for making really great candy like these. So there's lots of different versions of them. I know last time I went, I think I got some that were shaped like sushi. So, you know, you can find fun kind of unique things like that or more realistic candies. Audrey got one that looks like marbles in a similar jar to this. So, but wanted to make sure you guys could see how it looks. So that is sort of a quick little look at what I got in that part of our shopping on our trip. And I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys here in the days to come. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.